Okay, family, I'm back and I'm here to show you an update on how the TikTok birthday party decorations are coming. This is the treat table, and some of the stuff that's on the treat table will be placed on the guest tables when I set the garage up. But what I've done is I went ahead and I added the candy to these little candy boxes. So they have suckers and bubble gum and different assorted candies in them. And it's 12 of those. And then these are the cups that I finished with the napkins inside with the blue and pink paper napkins. And these are some cups I had left over from the Care Bears party that I did that went in with the theme. And this is a sign, a personalized little sign that I got this little plastic frame from Dollar Tree. I've been having it for a long time. I just printed out a TikTok sign and edited it and put Zari's name on it, my granddaughter's name on it, and Princess of TikTok on it. And I put a white foam box up under here. This is what it's under here, a white foam block. Let me see if I can show you. It's just a white foam box under there, and I draped it with a hot pink satin table overlay. And here's the cake, where's the cake's gonna be when she gets her TikTok cake. And these are the finished juice bottles that I showed you guys about last night. I put the labels on them and they say different things. This one says H2O. This one says birthday bash. And this one says hashtag FYP. And I just added these little containers that I picked up from Walmart or the Dollar Tree that say birthday bash. Added a bottle label to that to give it a little pop. And this is another little vase, plastic vase from Dollar Tree, and I just filled it with assorted candies. And I'm gonna let you see how it looks so far. And that's how it looks. Setup's looking so far. And stay tuned. I'll be back with the setup for the tables outside. Okay, family, I just came back right quick to show you. I'm going to be using this glitter tool to stuff inside of the laces for my centerpieces. I had this up there and I forgot about it, but I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be stuffing the tool down on the inside and leaving a little bit sticking up so that it can be like a face filler to help hold the skewers in place. And I'll be right back to let you see how they turn out. Hey guys, I'm back again. Now I'm about to get ready to use my Balloon Buddy pump. And these balloons for the TikTok thing that I'm working on. And they're all different sizes. And they have some of these see-through colorful things. And I got some regular white and black. Some black, jet black little bitty balloons. These are the little bitty ones that I'm going to use for clusters. And I got two big silver ones to add a little pop of silver in there. And these are the music notes that I'm going to blow up. They're the music notes. I'll come back and show you what they look like when I get done. I'm in here. My daughter's making some all-star blinged out Converses for my granddaughter's TikTok party. Give me a close-up. These are the materials she's using.
I represent Brandon Joyner.
She got some.
He's 22 years old.
Rhinestones. And this is how the shoe
nature,
looks so far.
Which is a very serious offense. It happened about 2 years ago.
That's cute.
Brandon witnessed
She put some
David
blue
Turner
ribbon
beating up his son-in-law
laces in
Christopher
the
Keynes.
shoe.
He knew that Mr. Keynes was previously disabled.
Well, yeah,
and
that's cute.
at that point, he feels that he has to intervene.
I'm not gonna put her on camera because
They
she
all
look
lived
rough.
in a very close neighborhood. They were only...
Okay, you guys. Next project. I'm about to make a TikTok hair bow for my granddaughter for her TikTok party. I'm using some thin black ribbon. This is 1/4 inch by 6 yards. And I got a bow that her mom purchased that I'm gonna use as my template to build off of. And then I'm gonna add this blue satin ribbon as well. And those are all the colors of her TikTok party. Oops. Well, I'll be back to show you how it turns out. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm done with the hair bow for my granddaughter. And this is how it turned out. Let me turn the light on for a minute and let you see. Okay, here's a better look at it. This is how it turned out. I think I did a pretty good job. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see, the process I'm at right now is building my balloon garland. And I have pink, blue, black, and the colorful see-throughs. And I am using fishing line, as you can see this fishing line, and I'm twisting it around. Let me see if I can show you a little bit of what I'm doing. Okay, I got the fishing line in here somewhere. Let me find it. Okay, you see the fishing line right here. I'm going to take this quad. Nope, that's the wrong color. I need another pink and blue set. Hold on. Okay, I got the blue and pink quad set here. Now I'm going to take my fishing line right here. And I'm just going to attach it like so. A figure 8. It's connected. Be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm finally done with the balloon garland. I'm just giving you a quick preview of it, but you'll see the final results when I decorate the whole garage. Stay tuned.
If she a real one, then I'ma take it.